Hello and welcome. I'm thrilled to introduce you to a product that's sure to impress. Let's talk design. Sleek, modern, and crafted to stand out in any setting. Value is key, and this product delivers. You're getting exceptional quality at a price that's refreshingly reasonable. Its versatility is unmatched. It fits seamlessly into your home, office, or as a thoughtful gift. Stylish, functional, and reliable. For more details, check the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and